The other is one on a bedroom so Cassia, Yamuachemo, Aquabani, and us, and some nedos on the Obetiano, as we can be, and say Adom Kumakasa, after Mampenina Bedi, a chair about me, and someone and what that would do just handsome, and additional phobia, one more Accra Technical University, one more Suchimo, said the Mampenina Bedi, churches, ne breast one, or na national service no enya ohyano wo mugituma enyeyi ahyenka fo ene akwantufo ne adwadifo nso a won farmer samai kwano so kiremu amfuturo de ene wo mu ni ye nansen kwa na organized labor nso ede kokobo ama eya ahyenkafo se wosere yakopo aduma bosume wo ne de etosto dumi ensa na ese bna da bai emo obi antuhyen ye adwuma we ne nsam ahodo bi enam de so mo se bedwam so kase dem live DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook ne Adom TV extra Wishia me a friend. I'm not sure pa. Ajwa se 170 mo no me de twaso. Nanu ada mampanyina be de chese se wo ye Franka tuni ma MPP amoyoko no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ejina simpie so e na wode nsam ahodo to dwase nyankopon ya Adom na obe Ghana mampanyina na nisu ade hunu ne hyehye ye bebo Ghana fo no wode nsam nyina to dwa wi ne ne Adom kuma yo mrahye bedwani mrahye bedwam wo mo so kasa chese mampanyina be de akire ni nsam wode to dwa yi ase emu hawo na opanyina wogina mo kasa ye Dr. Kesalato Hayford no e na Adom kuma no e ba no de ne nsam bi ni.
These bills were first presented to this house when he was sitting here. He came to Parliament with the minister responsible for finance to impose the e-levy. He can't turn around to come back and to tell all of us that he's not part of it. But let me add that the General Secretary of MPP sits in cabinet. He left cabinet and informed the people of Ghana that the Vice President approved the e-levy and voted for the e-levy.
And wechi Mahama Yariga enso di to just say yeno nwa pa sama mpanyina be di Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia epeso yeno ho say enhyehyɛ ya Ghana mampanyina na don kwakufu ado e de ba ye no onimu hwe.
You sat and always accompany the finance minister to come to this parliament to read the budget and state those policies. Your communicators all publicly defended those positions. Then today that you want to be president, you come and totally disown everything that your colleagues did with you. In the first place, it shows the character of the man.
Dr. Rashid Popu and Sonny Adom Kasi etwetwe nkoma wo de sansemi tuja.
I was much more shocked to find that key promises he made about taxes were done because he was an advisor, or he is an advisor, and has pushed forward all these things to come true. Now he's standing.
NPP Franka Tuni ya wasai eye o my Ghana mampanyina be de Dr. Baumia ne nsam wo kan ye no mo wodi to just say na breast one no obehwe na national service say wako school no awie na obesom aban no afe no ene say wo school mu wa na wonya adwuma ya betumi akoya nya ohye so obesai aba besom aban no na Adom kase woni adesuafo bi atwetwe ho nkobo no mo chese na na ewo pa adwuma wo mayi mu ayese na 2 years working experience 3 years na say won sheda nko adwuma nim enkonya mu ntete a se wo benya adwuma kora den na national service na ni ade a wo de kwade na madwuma mu ho emo wo naje fom a esiesie wo mo se ochena bi no wonya adwuma obehu obonkum afri wonifa na wo se omuni mpefe se opanyini ni nsem a waka nyina so ye se sa 700 Ghana no a bosumi bi omde ma national service for na aban no epese wo twe wo ho efri se sikatua no.
Enra ena ye omampanyi abedi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia a ono ankasa na esentu Franka ede ama ye MPP amanyuku no Enra odnano disem etudwa e wo UPSC a eye ne nkasa ye mu no ochiremu se Ghana fo eye afimpinu ne aduonu nan wo moto abama no mane be Ghana mampanyi a ade de na koma so se obeyi afri wona se obi awie suapon ahodo na obeba abonten abesom oman no afe baako a eye potokasa mu ne ka ne se national service ene abepiem e wo ya Accra Technical University ene esuafo yi bi bedin komo bisa won se aso eye aniswade hunu ya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de na nisu yi no eye ade ebeboa oman no ana
se wo munya experience wo ho ansa na onze ukopejuma bia obeka se ope more experience so woni bia wo ejuma pe betima ba fom na and then in Abama. Yes.
There's saying that experience is the best teacher. Because if I have the experience, like you see, nowadays many jobs in Ghana here, when you are going to apply for a job opportunity, they do ask for your CV. They are expecting some experience you've gained, like when you were coming up. So if there is no NSS, I think a better country. So
for me, I think it's not a good idea because you see, NSS help us to like take necessary training, and so you can't say that when I'm done with school, I shouldn't do NSS. So how am I going to get work to do after school? So that's how I see. I don't see that to be a positive idea.
So with the NSS issue, I think it should be compulsory so that every student will have a feel of how it is and where they.
Everyone I yanko a masama kwano so na 24 ashenkafo ene womu a edidwa wa masama kwano so no womu edi adesrede to contractors ahodo a wogu kwano so ye adwuma se wosrada womu adwuma ne ye no enkontentem sanse womu wadan ban kwa ahokora de emfuturo kwa na eku womu ade bia womu home mfuturo na womu se sere so sanke be ya nka bra no sansa ahyan a efa kwano so do so nti amanfutura jiwie mu nyina kumoye a wo home kure nje etinka de wompe shan kase ya eyo omudi nsuo egu bia ya hodo bi na ne wo mo water kwan so se be ye mfuturo eku wo mo afitafo wo kwa ho wo mo etonso wo mo eton aduane no sa hawo ni nyina no ano bebrase
mfuturo ne de haye papa because nkenka anadwo no wonama wo mo wani anda ha de kan be pemo bisisi a Timfutron de Yasroma, Sanka every day beyond Benyanom in Suagusu Amaya, and Kayape. Because we say, who took from a John Taya, Babedu, do Bruno, Masawatara Crasay. What a reporto. One of my beggars will be Gravagas, be a driver and close, you know, and soon Futron in tea. And I'm a Mocherian Sano, Tia Saba and say, Futron or Batman, contract and Akas, and every day beyond Suagusu Cramaya, and Kaya things about boy. Mfuturo ne dia basa mostly draw for na sewani mfuturo ne sewani esama okata nso sewani na esama okata
very serious pa say one share nose mask before obedru baby a wokon na bia wanya code anasa wo shatade krampo na satare na white beba na hu nyina ayefi na utini wi nyina aye white meka say that was last 2 weeks then madam for be kwa Canadian embassy. Yeah, Drew, yeah, no. And I'm saying, I'm a penny to this or quite be a very few. When it's in a fit and I'm such a power to know. We're going to say very because that's in there is very bad. It's very bad.
In foot in the
organized labor, one market cow, one bomb, send a coupon yard, Domoa, a Benade Bay, or better one Gumontes on my yet, she did another 15% VAT. Ya, by yes, a young fan too, and Yamahode, a boss one on what you want and what I levy. Sana kwa ya na ban beka se na was suspend mu ya na se o ma fa kire sa de abebom pan enti se no aban no kire se o ma suspend ne kire se ya twa sensan kire se wo mu atwam enti wo mu twan se aban ne ba beka se wo mu atwam anya adwuma kora na se anko ne sa de a Yankopon ya adom ebna de bai ahyenkafo akwantufo no obi a ka wo ho abom na wo mu aye kire ne no ena nkran ha se organized labor empanimfo de afutuo to ahyenkafo nyina nim se be ya ka sa abna da ne ma hyen bi entu omunyina fo mu bro emetai wo mu achi na wo ye kire no enye kama
yenkese aban or suspending but on traso on ye free okra yempese ye beti wo baby po sa omuka sa 15% no asem yes sa asem no ma mabium na se suspension de ye njintu mene ye njintu mochna ye ntia ene ye ntia ochna ye ntia bebia enti ebrandai ka bia enye juma wo nkran empotem ahanumu omunyira omubeba be kan ye hu na ye de aye oye kire say ye bed nanti free ye fi abeye nsusu a we are ready say ye bed nanti free ye fi na ye baye demonstration
enwachi amansan kita hudifo ewo GPRTU Abbas Ibrahim Moro echemu a
TU Sirikrata Abbas say government and try and sign up to the end of on the 12th on the one Twemukra on the 13th no we are all joining obi anya juma and this is the first step yeah far way so I can share driver ne be one class on the 13th yeah nya juma because you can organize labor no be a curtain raiser amaya shenkafo no because yenso you fighting for the eco tax no and the way be a curtain raiser na enim ya san ye the rare
Yenyina organized labor for one semi so nakasi am de so mo bedwam so adope no me mfade nyina nsi meda se so share for DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook na de live e wo Adom TV extra wo share me a ya frame anochewa ba ajwa se wa yeda ye ho aba ne online portal ne so nsem de obon krata apostle na apostle etwaso enko bebia